Mhm. I'm going to talk about UnitySat or SlimSat. What I have researched about that the UnitySat was designed as a joint development by JPR Institute of Technology, GH Roy Soni College of Engineering, Nagpur, and Sri Shakti Institute of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore, as a technology demonstration mission for studying the indigenously developed satellite subsystems at LEO. LEO means low Earth orbit, such as the onboard command, data handling systems, the electronic power system, and the communication system. NHSE students startup the TSE Technologies Private Limited, Bangalore, and Committee for Space Program Development, CSPD. Serbia has initially provided technical assistance for the teams of consortium of these three colleges mentioned above. The entire process is mentored by senior scientists superannuated from ISRO with their generous motivation and encouragement and the proactive support of the industries such as Alpha Design Technologies Karnataka, Hybrid Micro Devices Limited, New Tech Solution, Kepler Aerospace and Micropack Limited, who have come forward to handhold the teams and providing necessary special technical and expertise services and clean rooms, testing facilities, etc., along with educating and mentoring the team members. This mission also intends to test the viability of the utilization of such systems in nanosatellite development. The satellite is developed as a 0.33U SlimSat that enables the universities and colleges to develop full-fledged satellite systems with an affordable cost or lesser cost when compared to the typical systems that need to be imported from companies like Endurosat, Pumpkin, etc. Special features of UnitySat. The SlimSat design called UnitySat is 0.33U satellite that has the following features, which is 100 MHz power efficient ARM Cortex M4 processors class 2, latch up protections and automatic reset ICs, critical data storage 2 MB FRAM plus 4 MB MRAM, low IQ means quiescent current, wide input voltage range switching, batteries voltage between 1.8 volt to 5.5 volt, power rails available 3.3 volt and 5 volt, maximum power output of 15.75 watt, frequency range 435 to 438 megahertz, output power 330 dBm, receiving sensitivity is minus 137 dBm, bandwidth 125 kHz. UnitySat is also designed to study the application of LoRa modems for intersatellite communication. Intersatellite communication means செயற்கைக்கோள் தொடர்பு by transmitting satellite beacon signals and having the other satellites in the mesh act as a relay and eventually transmitting it to the ground station. It is also designed to operate on an open source LoRa platform, thereby giving access to anyone who wants to use it. The data will be encrypted, but the key for decryption will be shared through the open source platform called SAT-NOGS. This platform consists of hundreds of ground stations around the world. We are designing this satellite to be able to interact with all these stations. The mission includes the development of an indigenous CubeSat deployment system that will help by reducing the weight of the satellite deployer. This will drastically reduce the cost for launching such nanosatellite. Mission objective, primary mission, secondary mission. Primary mission will be UnitySat was designed for it being a technological demonstration of indigenously developed systems for nanosatellite applications. Secondary mission, experimental study of ultra compact satellites in space environment, experimental LoRa intra-satellite communication, establishment of open source satellite IoT network based on LoRa, testing indigenously developed CubeSat deployer system, CubeSat deployer system has a vital role in nowadays. The glossaries and some glossaries. Inter-satellite communication means செயற்கைக்கோள் தொடர்பு. Beacon signals means கலங்கரை விளக்கங்கள். Platform மேடை. Data தரவு. Encryption குறியாக்கம். Decryption மறைவிலக்கம். Thank you.